Okay, let's jump right into this deep dive.
Sounds good.
We're looking at something you've probably seen, maybe at the zoo or on TV. Flamingos.
Ah, yes. Standing on one leg.
Exactly. Why on earth do they do that? It looks so awkward sometimes.
It really does, doesn't it? But what the research you looked at shows is, well, there's some brilliant science behind it. It's not random at all.
Right.
Eh,
So our mission here is to kind of unpack that, using the sources to get to the real reason, the facts behind why they stand like that.
Yeah, it's definitely more than just a funny habit.
So the core question is simple. Why one leg?
And the answer, according to the material, it really boils down to survival, specifically conserving energy and, maybe surprisingly, managing body heat.
Energy and heat. Huh. You often picture them in like warm, sunny places.
You do, but think about where they stand. They spend ages waiting around in shallow water, right? Lakes, wetlands.
Okay.
And even if the air is warm, that water can be quite a bit cooler than their, internal body temperature. So standing on one leg.
Ah, okay. I think I see where this is going. It helps them lose less heat.
Exactly. Think about those long, skinny legs. They've got a lot of surface area compared to their size, so they lose heat easily, especially to cooler water.
Right.
So by just lifting one leg up, tucking it into their feathers, they basically cut the heat loss through their legs by about half. It's actually a really clever way to stay warm.
That makes total sense when you put it like that.
Yeah.
Like us pulling a hand out of cold water.
Precisely.
But here's the part that really got me. From the sources, they can actually sleep like this.
Yeah. That's maybe the most amazing bit. They can properly rest, even sleep, while holding that one-legged pose.
How? I mean, standing on one leg takes concentration for us, muscle effort.
Well, this is where their anatomy comes in. The sources talk about this unique setup they have. It's often called a passive support system, or like a locking
The
mechanism.
locking mechanism. In their leg.
Sort of, yeah. It's how their weight is distributed and how the joints, ligaments, and bones line up. When they shift their weight correctly onto that one leg, things just kind of click into place.
Yeah.
It creates this really stable structure, almost like its own little stand, that doesn't need constant muscle work to maintain balance. It's passive.
Wow. So, okay, it's a double benefit then. They lose less heat to the water, and they save energy because they don't have to actively balance. They can just lock in and rest.
Exactly. It's incredibly efficient. It's not just about warmth. It's about conserving precious energy while resting or sleeping right there in their watery feeding grounds. That physical mechanism is the key.
It really shows how, specialized these adaptations can be. Perfectly tuned.
Absolutely. So when you see that flamingo doing its thing,
It's not just a weird pose.
not at all. You're actually watching a pretty sophisticated survival strategy playing out.
Yeah.
It's this elegant solution for saving energy and heat made possible by their unique body design, even letting them sleep soundly on one foot.
And speaking of adaptations, those long legs are obviously great for waiting while they filter feed on stuff like shrimp and algae,
Mm-hmm.
which, fun fact from the sources, is actually how they get that famous pink color. They aren't born pink.
That's right. Comes from their diet. And you know what they call a group of them?
Oh, I think I read this. A flamboyance.
A flamboyance. How perfect is that?
It really is. They're just fascinating creatures all around.
Truly are.
So this whole thing makes you wonder, doesn't it? Thinking about other animals, what other behaviors that look maybe simple or just plain weird are actually crucial survival skills?
Yeah, skills perfectly honed for their specific environment.
What other hidden whys might be out there in nature just waiting for us to notice and figure out? Something to think about next time you're watching animals.